Hey guys, it's Erica from 530 Home. I am finished painting the vanity bathroom cabinets in my boys' bathroom. So I am ready to wax, and I am using the Jolie Clear Wax. So I'm going to get some on my brush, and I'm just going to show you kind of my process. I try to do a smaller area at a time. This whole little panel right here though will be fun. We go back and forth here. Really spread that wax out, and then I'm going to go back over it with a cloth just to kind of wipe away the excess. And I'm probably going to do 2 coats on this just because there's some, some soap and water. Well, we hope soap. We know definitely water going on here. And so I just want to make sure that it is well protected. So I'm just going to go back with my cloth, like I said, kind of wipe away the excess, let that dry for a few minutes, and then come back with another coat.